Get ready! Let's climb aboard!
Let's climb aboard!
We are going to space! Get
3, 2, 1, 1!
blast off! Look through the window!
That big light is the sun. There are 8 planets.
They move around the sun. But there is a secret.
The sun is moving too.
Look! The sun is moving!
The sun never stops. This big spiral is our galaxy.
We call it the Milky Way. The Milky Way. The sun travels inside the galaxy.
It moves on a long path. The sun moves in a big circle.
A very, very big circle. One trip around the galaxy
Takes a very, very long time. The planets do not stay behind.
The planets revolve with the sun. Each planet also spins.
It spins around the sun.
There are 2 movements.
The sun moves forward, the planet spins. The planet,
Spins.
gravity holds the planets close.
Gravity connects them to the sun. Now, let's see the shape.
What shape does this make? This path is not flat.
It is not a simple circle. Look! It looks like a spiral.
A long, curvy spiral.
This shape has a name.
We call it a helix. A helix looks like a spring.
Or like a corkscrew.
Watch this planet.
It leaves a spiral path behind. Every planet has its own spiral.
Look! So many spirals! This planet is close to the sun.
Its spiral is small and tight. This planet is far from the sun.
Its spiral is big and wide. Look! That is Earth!
Earth makes a spiral too. We do not feel this motion.
It is too smooth, too gentle. All the planets move together.
8 spirals, side by side. It looks like a bundle.
A bundle of spirals, moving together. So our whole solar system
Moves like one giant spring. It moves slowly through the galaxy.
Very slowly, but always moving.
Wow! That is amazing! That is amazing!
Space is amazing! Now, let's learn about black holes.
What is a black hole?
What is a black hole?
A black hole is a place in space.
It has very strong gravity. Ooh! A black hole comes from a giant star.
A very, very big star. One day, the star runs out of fuel.
It has no more energy. The star falls in on itself.
It becomes small, very small. Now it is a black hole.
A very, very small point. The gravity is so strong
That nothing can escape. Not even light can escape.
that is why it looks black.
This edge has a name.
We call it the event horizon. Past this line,
There is no way back. Deep inside, there is a tiny point.
we call it the singularity.
Deep.
A black hole is not a vacuum cleaner.
It does not suck up everything. Far away, things are safe.
They can orbit safely. We cannot see a black hole.
It is completely dark.
But light bends around it. This helps us find black holes.
This helps us find black holes. There is a giant black hole at the center of our galaxy.
At the center of our galaxy. It is very, very far from Earth.
Oh, so we are safe. Some black holes are small.
Some black holes are huge.
The sun moves. The planets spiral.
And black holes wait far away. Space is full of wonders.
See you next time. Bye-bye.